Topic is wave optics. What is wavefront? It is the locus of all points in the space vibrating with same phase. Example, ripples in water. Suppose one boy throws a stone in the pond. What happens? Ripples happens. So this is the example. You may try by throwing pebbles in a pond or in a tub. Basically, there are three types of wavefront: spherical, cylindrical, and plane wavefront. For spherical wavefront, it is a point source. Cylindrical wavefront, it is a linear source. And plane wavefront, a planar wavefront, is basically due to the uh, parallel source or light beam is responsible for the plane wavefront. Huygens principle. Every point on wavefront acts as a source of point source producing their own spherical wavefront. These wavefronts are called secondary wavelets. So whenever a wavefront is there, then we see that every point source which are producing their own spherical wavefronts act as the secondary wavefronts. Now let's say interference of light waves. Interference means combination of two or more waves of same frequency and having a constant phase difference. Like y1 equal to a1 sine kx minus omega t, y2 equal to a2 sine kx minus omega t plus phi. Phi is the phase difference. And resultant y, that is y is equal to y1 plus y2. As I already mentioned, phi is the phase difference between the two waves. A resultant is equal to root over a1 square a plus a2 square plus 2a1 a2 cos phi. A is the amplitude. Now look the diagram carefully. A2 is here, this side is A2 and this is A1. From the diagram, tan delta is equal to A2 sin phi by A1 plus A2 cos phi. Y is equal to A resultant sin omega t plus delta. Therefore, AR square is equal to A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A2 cos phi. And amplitude and intensity has a relation, that is intensity is directly proportional to amplitude. Therefore, see this part. So resultant intensity is equal to I1 plus I2 plus, oh I'm so sorry, I will be equivalent proportional to amplitude square. So that's why in place of amplitude square IR will be written. Let me just look, I is directly proportional to A square. That's why in place of AR square I have written IR, and in the formula just replace A square with I. So IR equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root over I1 root over I2 cos phi. I hope till this much it's absolutely clear to all. Types of interference. Two types of interference: constructive and destructive. Constructive interference when intensity is maximum, cos phi equal to 1. When it will be 1, cos phi value will be 1. When, yes, so phi value will be 0, 2 pi, 4 pi and so on. So generalized formula we can put phi is equal to 2n pi. Therefore I max, if you substitute the value of cos phi, I max equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2. Then we get this whole square formula, a plus b whole square, that is root I1 plus root I2 whole square. Now if I1 equal to I2 equal to I0, I max equal to 4 I0. Similarly, in A max square equal to A1 square plus A2 square, 2A1 A2, A max square equal to A1 plus A2 whole square, A max equal to A1 plus A2. as we have seen previously in this formula. As cos phi value substituting, then we get the a and i's, these formulas. Now come to next slide. That is destructive interference. When the intensity is minimum, that is cos phi equal to -1, when it will be, when the phi's value will be pi, 3 pi, 5 pi. If we put phi equal to pi, then cos pi is -1. Therefore generalized formula what can be for phi, angle phi, that is 2n plus 1 pi, right? Now if we put n equal to 0, then phi equal to pi, n equal to 1, then phi equal to 3 pi, and so on. Now I min is equal to I1 plus I2 minus 2 root I1 I2, as in the similar way in substituting the value of cos here, cos phi is there. So if we substitute, we get, after substituting the value, we get this one.